Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to start with the topic strings are immutable. This I have told you in last video also, but still I find it very important topic, so I'm starting from here only. So class, strings are immutable means if we are having a string like this, it we cannot replace any of the character from the string, as they have tried to replace third position third position 0 1 2 3. They want to replace this d with p, so that cannot be possible. So class, str1 object does not support item assignment. This will be the error that will come. So class, that is, if we cannot replace a particular character or any part of the string, so if it is not possible, then it is immutable. You are going to learn various mutable things also, like list is mutable, that will be your next chapter, and dictionary is there. So many things in Python are mutable, but string is immutable. So your next topic is that string methods and inbuilt functions. So class, first function that we are going to study is the length. So class, like there is a word, they have taken the example, and if you write len in small letter, then it will count the words, the letters in this word. So class, if you count, good has 4 and morning has 7, and one gap is also there. So 4 plus 1 gap for gap, and gap is also a character, that is also a part of the string, so it is countable. So overall it is 12. So similarly, they have given, as I have told you previously, that if we want to give apostrophe, we have to write like this slash apostrophe, otherwise it will take it as code, so it will create an error. So for that we use this one, you can say slash. So while doing this slash is also a counted character. Still, while printing, it will not come, this slash will not come, but we have used it, so it is a counted character. Next is capitalize. Capitalize simply means if we are having a word and if we write like string dot capitalize, then it will result capital of the first letter. You can say that capitalize is like a title case. Next next is uh, next is a program, and a very good program. In this, it says write a program to accept a string or a sentence and return the string having first letter of each word in capital. So class, what they have used, first of all this is used to enter, and this is to display. After that they have used a blank space for blank, you can say null value, as I have told you for string also. If we want to assign empty string, then we will write like this. After that, they have used x is equals to str dot split. This is another function. This function will see, or you can say divide your string. Suppose this is a complete string, a string having a letter, so it will divide this as one, this as another, this as another, this as another, and this as another. So class, it will split your string into the parts, Now what they did, they have used the for loop for x. This x depend upon the user, what user will enter. After that, when user have entered, now what will happen, one by one this x will enter to this. And suppose this is only our sentence entered by the user, then it will take the first one, and it will take the first one and it will make it capital, as it is written a dot capital. A is what, for loop variable. A is what, for the first time, first part of the x, that is a. So a dot capitalize, it will become capital A. After that there is a space also, so space will come. After that string, it will take string and it will capitalize it, so string S capital and rest small. After that gap will come, so gap will come. After that having will come, having H capital, rest small, so on. So class, two functions are there, split and here capitalize is used. And at last this str2 is, or everything is saved in what, str. As we write sum is equal, sum plus equals to a, similarly they have written string plus equals to a capitalize. Means in string 2 this a is also saved, this string is also saved, then having saved, then first save, then later save, till this x get finished. So class, see next. See, we are learning Python, they have entered. Original string is we are learning Python, and the result is we are learning Python, where W is capital, A is capital, L is capital, and P is capital. So you try this program. Split they have given now after the program, it should be before. So class, see this, it will break up a string at specified separator and returns a list of the substring. So it will convert your string into substring. They have given this string, it is separated by this, so it will create a list of the strings separately, this separately. Similarly, I love country, there is no separator in between, so directly they have given. In this separator was given, so they have used here. In this no separator is given, so blank. Now it is converted into a list of characters. So the same we have used in previous program. So more programs are there class, you can go with it and try out. Next is your replace. Now class, as we have already done that, character cannot be replaced. Character cannot be replaced, but substring can be replaced. You can see that str1 dot replace is with was, so it is coming wherever is was there, this is was there, is was there, and nowhere else. So in place of is, was is coming here also and here also. So you try this, and after this you try one more thing, you print str1 only, then you see what happens and let me know what I am saying. You print this line also, after that you write again print str1, then see what will be the result. So class, that's all. This much topic I have selected for you today, and one important program that we did right now, this was the program, very important program, and do it. That's all class.